first YouTube video. My name is Helen Osuansa, but you can call me Abna. Before I start, I have lots of amazing stuff coming your way, so please don't forget to like, share and then subscribe to this channel. Thank you. So today, I'll be teaching you how to make a very simple yet refreshing drink at home with just 3 ingredients. Yes, just 3 ingredients. This drink will not only boost your immune system, but will also help cleanse your blood from within. So our first ingredient for today is beetroot. We all know beetroot has a lot of amazing benefits, but in case you don't know, then here's the good news. Beetroot keeps our blood pressure in check, beetroot helps with inflammation, and also supports brain function. Our second ingredient for today is apple. Apples are very nutritious. Apples help with weight loss and also lowers the risk of cancer. So our third ingredient for today is ginger. Ginger also helps with inflammation. They also keep our blood pressure in check. And the last one, ginger also lowers the risk of diabetes. So I'll be listing the rest of the benefits in the description box in case you want to read more about it. Thank you. So now let's start with the preparation. Before you start, make sure to wash all your ingredients thoroughly and then clean them and slice them into pieces just like I did. Note, in case you don't have a juicer, you can use a blender. But with a blender, make sure to add a little bit of water and then strain the chaff out of it after blending. So let's start with the preparation. So here we go. You can add ice cubes to your juice and then enjoy. But please don't forget to like, share and then subscribe to this channel. Thank you.